Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Brave's Diva Simba and EJiubas EJB X02. Started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is Simba. It's a Rookie of the Month polish. She's doing one each month. And I think it's really cool. So I am going in with my first coat. It's a really sheer blue shimmery polish with flaky chunks all through it. It is so pretty. I'm trying to make sure I get it all smooth there. We're going to have to get Woody out here to clean up my mess. Thank you, Woody. Thank you so much. I love this. In the bottle, it just looks like something you want to eat. It's so pretty. So we're going to go in with that second coat here and building it up a little bit. Made another mess, so don't you know, Woody's got to show up. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Oh, my goodness, Tina. Come on, get it together, girl. And I am going to do a third coat. Depending on your nail length, you might need 3 or 4 coats, or you may want to put this over another polish as kind of like some undies. I'll be using the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat to dry these down today. And let's get it to dry down so we can do some playing. You know, I'm always into the playing. It's my favorite part of a day. Getting in my sandbox and just going crazy. There is a swatch photo of it on its own. Here's a EJiubas EJB X02. I'm going to use the flip side. And here's this plate. It's got like flamingos, palm trees, swimsuits, anchors, mermaids, fish, and shells. Here's Brave's Diva Shutout, my stamping polish today, my Conad stamper, and my Maniology scraper. So I've decided I'm going to use just a bunch of different seashell images. And I am going to use that little crab over there in the middle because I just can't help myself. So some of these are going to kind of go off the nail a little bit. My nails are really short right now, and I'm enjoying them being this length to some degree. You know, it's refreshing to not have to worry about them, worry about breaking them or whatever. And also, I like to show that even if you have short nails, you can still have a lot of fun with them. And I'm just picking out different random seashells and just going crazy. I'm having a good time. I do use a little piece of tape to get up the excess images that I don't want on my nails. On some of them I'm putting just 1, some of them I'm putting 2 or 1.5 or whatever I can fit on there. And it's working out quite well. I love that this plate has so many awesome images. I kept looking at it and I was picturing other manicures to do in the future. So we'll see. This plate might just stay out on my table. There we go. Awesome. EJiubas plates are really etched. They're probably the deepest etched plates I own. And if you're a beginner and you can't work very fast, I highly recommend these because they hold more polish down into the image and it gives you just a little bit more time to pick the image up and get it transferred to your nail. Some plates you've got to work super fast with, and that's fine if you're, you know, been doing it for a while, but if you're new to it, it gets real frustrating because that paint dries, that nail polish dries so fast that you can't get the image picked up and put onto your nail in time. But these plates are really deep. When I first got them, it took me a while to learn how to use them because I was trying to work too fast. I've kind of slowed my roll with these. I've learned that letting the polish sit there for a second or two before picking it up is a good thing. So we're just going seashell nuts. And now it's time for my little crab. Oh, I think that image is just so stinking cute. Look at that. He's so cute. And he's like a real crab, not like a cartoon crab. I like that. I like that he's real looking, or it's real looking. There we go. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape, and I'm going to pull up some of this excess off my skin. I didn't get very much on there because I was using single images. Just on that one spot, really. I'm going to clean this whole plate off with pure acetone and wipe it over with a paper towel. Before I put it all the way up, I will wipe it over with some alcohol also. I also clean my mat with pure acetone. And I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do just a little bit of cleaning up before I finish this one off. Alrighty. So I am going to go in with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I just realized I've got the picture after this piece of footage. There it is. And then I'm going to use my Poshe top coat to finish this manicure. I love my Poshe top coat. Got it at Sally's for the first time, and then I have to order it on eBay, getting the big refill bottle, because that's how much I love it. There we go, capping that free edge. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.